First time out here, very excited. Charlotte Roval, man, awesome to be on a NASCAR track. This is crazy. Got to start off with our pace laps and intermediate. They added another chicane. Excuse my French, I can't say these track terms, but man, we looking good, feeling good. Track mode, full gas. Let's get it. Got the green GT3 yellow cage. Oh my goodness, talk about a beaut. First session, did our pace laps, took it easy, tried to look at the brake lines, no passing zones. Keep in mind I'm an intermediate, I've never been here before. ZL1 1Le. We got a pulley, so let's keep this thing nice and cool. Hopefully we're still looking good. Pulley headers, Corsa tune, 93 octane. Let's get it done. That rapid blue though, man, looking beautiful. Insane to be on a NASCAR track. Definitely think NASCAR is a sport. Man, you can't make those jokes after you get on one of these tracks. Sheesh. This is the real deal, man. Shout out to Track 9 America for letting this be possible, not too expensive. Huge shout out to them. Let's have a good time. This is not competitive racing, not time trials, just to get out here on a track and enjoy our cars like you're supposed to. We spend all this money on gas, we gonna use it. Alright, second session. First session, a couple people blew the flags, weren't looking at the flags, car broke down, kept that GT500 behind me somehow. Thing looks insane. Carbon rims, big money, big ol' 100K bill money. Sexy though, that's gotta be a wrap, right? You guys let me know. Thing's beautiful. GT3, that is the perfect color right there. The Z06 ahead of it. terrible line. Whoop, hit that wrong. I hit a lot of this crap wrong. Money shift. God damn, Cam. Sliding this mug. Holy crap, talk about leading. Holy shite. This is the best thing on earth right here. Holy crap. I can't talk and do this, there's no way. I got the whole track to myself up here. It's crazy. Hoppy. Yeah, we catching the C8. Come here, C8. Come here, C8. That's a whole lot of money. Whole lot of money about to get passed by a 26-year-old. And not a whole lot of money. Thank you. There we go. Under the lights in Charlotte. This is insane. Excuse my French, but I'm in France. Hit on the windshield. Oil from the catch can, man. Got too hot. Blew through the hood scoop because we had the vent out for the ZL1. Came onto the windshield. Cleaned up underneath the motor. Checked the levels. We were kind of okay. Yeah, we're going to try. We're going to see. This is either a bonehead choice or we're going to have some fun. The lights are out, man. We just got to enjoy this while I'm here. The car will be okay. This ain't no Porsche. This is a Chevy. That damn vet's fast. Man, what a time. Holy shit, that was fun. Hello. Thank y'all.